It's okay, about it. Sweat, 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 sweat. It's okay, about it. Sweat, sweat. Hi guys, welcome back again. Good evening from here. So I just got back. Yeah, today was good. Thank God. Today was good, good, good. Oluwa na lekene. There's one food combination I want to eat now. I hope you can see me. There's one food combination I want to eat now. Like, yeah, my kids are okay. I've sorted them, but I want to relax and be taken care of. Like, guess what I'm about to eat? Just guess, just guess. Yeah, so let me show you guys my outfit of the day. Let me show you. Can you see me? Yeah. This, this three at the top because of cold. Then I'm wearing this baggy jeans. That is, I also wore tights inside. Then I wore my jacket. Yeah, but I'm back right now. Also, see. So guys, I'm back. I've changed, and I want to eat my food. Yeah, I have this bread. I just warmed it on microwave. Hey, whoa, the bread want to fall. Damn. Papa Titus. I want to eat Titus with bread. It's been ages. It's been long. Like, my best food ever. Has it been I have egg? I'll fry it together with this. But at this moment, I don't have egg. And the stores nearby have closed. So I'm opening it. So let me just eat my bread with Titus sardine. With sardine. Okay. How much is it now? Let me pieces it. My bread. Then I'll take some, put it inside. Where piaji bind it together. Piaji beya, piaji weya, piaji shazeya. Then I want us to take mineral, Pepsi Coke or Fanta, but the fine shape. And the fine shape, the shortbread. We are on diet. If you know, you know. If you like, you better. It's really done.
The only thing that was attacked in Babylon was prayer. The prayer of Daniel frustrated the spirits, the territorial powers that operated around the second heavens and did not allow the counsel of darkness to prevail. And a whole parliament came together, respectfully speaking, to address one issue in a man's life. And they said, don't pray for 30 days. That's it. Imagine what happens in your life when you do not pray for 30 days. I did say in the last service that prayer is the highest proof of humility. It's proof that you acknowledge that outside of the help of God you are nothing. And remember, the strength of God does not find strength. When it finds strength, it goes back. The strength of God looks for the acknowledgement of weakness.
The next day,
He told Apostle Paul that my strength is made perfect in your weakness. When the strength of God comes and finds strength, it goes back. It is not needed until it finds an acknowledgement.
Every day of my life I'm in pain, morning, afternoon, and night. Usually it used to be night.
30 minutes later.
Okay, it just seems like a broken jar, but in all, I will thank God. So,
Hi guys, good morning. Today is Sunday. We are heading to markets. I'm in driver's seat because my boy is driving. My driver is not my boy, my driver. My driver is driving me to market.
oh yes,
I just woke up from bed to rush wear clothes because time no deal. So we are going to market. Manel and Co, say hi. About me Jenny Web and Noronebe. See my driver here. So we are going to market to buy meat. I want to make soup for my shop.
maybe they go there.
Let them mock you. God is announcing you ahead of time. If they don't know you, they will not talk about you. So that tomorrow when God will remember you, they will know that that woman will walk right just past. I know my lady, my leader. I know it's not far from me. I know when he shall arrive, the one we know that my Redeemer liveth. Let them talk about you. I've checked my Bible. In the book of Psalms, he said, no weeping may endure for the whole night.
No,
Check in every page of every man's life. Weeping comes first. So if you're in the classroom of weeping, my dear, don't kill yourself. Don't be in a hurry to go.
What's
So guys, we are done buying the meat. We are heading home, but we want to fill gas. Yeah, we came to the local market because it's cheaper here. Oh, we're gonna get a lost rate. So it's cheaper here. Yeah, so we are filling gas right now. After that, we start heading home. So that is the updates. Okay guys, see you guys later. I have a lot to do today. Like today is going to be a productive day for me. I have to wash clothes. I wanted to wash this clothes yesterday, but something happened, so I leave it. But today I'm gonna wash clothes. I'm gonna make soup, make stew. A lot. Today is Sunday. We didn't go to church again, but it's well. So let's head home and start our day. Onugbu. Hi guys, I'm in the kitchen. Oh, a lot is going on, like a whole lot is going on. Yeah, so I'm making the Onugbu soup for my shop. Then I'll still make another Onugbu soup for home use. Yeah, shop and house, you know. So the one for the shop is almost done. Yeah, it's almost done. Then I'll start the one for the house. I couldn't carry you guys along the whole process because hey, it's not easy to film, and cooking and filming is not easy. Like it's not easy. You'll be carrying camera up and down, so it's not easy. But we are almost done. We are almost done. Because I'm done cooking. I'm done cooking the Onugbu soup. Yeah, this is it. Guys, I'm done cooking, but I want to test my food because if not, why not? And I'm not a fan of swallow, but in a time like this, you got to test the soup. Yeah, I have my soup here. medicine no pour. My swallow just small. Yeah, so let's eat. The soup is giving. It is giving what it's supposed to be giving. Wow. And they cook. Oh. It's hot. Dry fish. This food, Onugbu soup is Anambra soup. Like, you sabi this, we sabi this work well well. Anambra Onugbu soup. Ako. This is meat, cow beef. Anambra Onugbu soup. I want to take this one. If you're watching this video, just open your mouth. Let me put it. Hey. See you guys later. Very good.